Have you ever wondered how to naturally reduce inflammation in your nervous system? Did you know that certain herbs can offer powerful relief without the side effects of conventional medications? In this video, we're exploring healing herbs that can help reduce inflammation in the nervous system, promoting better overall health and well-being. Inflammation in the nervous system can lead to various health issues, including chronic pain, fatigue, and even neurological disorders. Understanding how to manage and reduce this inflammation is essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Today, we'll uncover some of nature's most effective anti-inflammatory herbs, such as turmeric, ginger, ashwagandha, boswellia, and green tea. We'll explain how these herbs work, their benefits, and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. From teas and supplements to simple recipes, we've got practical tips to help you harness the power of these natural remedies. If you're interested in holistic approaches to health and want to learn more about reducing inflammation naturally, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community for more insights on living a healthier, more balanced life. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your experiences or questions. We love hearing from you. Let's get started on this journey to better health with the healing power of herbs. Understanding inflammation in the nervous system. Inflammation in the nervous system, known as neuroinflammation, occurs in response to various factors, such as infection, injury, autoimmune diseases, or chronic stress. When the nervous system detects a threat, it initiates an immune response to protect and repair damaged tissues. However, prolonged or excessive inflammation can lead to detrimental effects on nerve cells and overall neurological function. Neuroinflammation is associated with a range of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and neuropathic pain. It can disrupt normal nerve signaling, impair cognitive function, and contribute to the development and progression of these conditions. Understanding the underlying mechanisms of neuroinflammation is crucial for developing effective strategies to manage and reduce inflammation in the nervous system. By targeting inflammation using natural remedies like healing herbs, individuals can potentially alleviate symptoms, improve nerve health, and support overall neurological well-being. Top healing herbs for reducing inflammation. Turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound known for its ability to reduce inflammation in the body, including the nervous system. Curcumin inhibits inflammatory pathways and helps regulate immune responses, making it beneficial for conditions like neuropathy and neurodegenerative diseases. Ginger. With its warm and spicy flavor, ginger offers more than just culinary delight. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory herb. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, possesses potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can help alleviate nerve pain, reduce inflammation in the brain, and improve cognitive function. Ashwagandha. Known as an adaptogenic herb, ashwagandha helps the body adapt to stress and modulates the immune system's inflammatory response. By reducing stress-induced inflammation, ashwagandha supports nerve health and may help manage conditions like neuropathic pain and anxiety. Boswellia. Also known as Indian frankincense, boswellia contains boswellic acids that have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Boswellia extract has been shown to reduce inflammation in the nervous system and alleviate symptoms of conditions like multiple sclerosis and neuropathy. Green tea. Rich in polyphenols, green tea has potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, the main polyphenol in green tea, helps protect nerve cells from inflammation-induced damage and supports overall neurological health. How to use these herbs. Turmeric. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or smoothies. You can also make turmeric tea by simmering grated turmeric root in hot water and adding honey or lemon for flavor. Alternatively, turmeric supplements are available in capsule form for convenient consumption. Ginger. Enjoy the warming taste of ginger by brewing ginger tea or adding freshly grated ginger to meals, stir-fries, or baked goods. Ginger supplements are also available if you prefer a more concentrated dose. Ashwagandha. Take ashwagandha supplements in capsule or powder form, following the recommended dosage on the packaging. You can also brew ashwagandha tea by steeping the dried root or leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Boswellia. Boswellia supplements come in capsule or tablet form, typically standardized to contain a specific percentage of boswellic acids. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label for optimal results. Green tea. Brew green tea by steeping green tea leaves or tea bags in hot water for 2 to 3 minutes. Enjoy it plain or with a squeeze of lemon and honey for added flavor. Green tea supplements are also available for those who prefer a more concentrated dose. Combining herbs with lifestyle changes. Diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Minimize processed foods, sugars, and trans fats, which can contribute to inflammation. Exercise. Regular physical activity helps reduce inflammation and supports overall nervous system health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, incorporating activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or yoga. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or mindfulness to lower cortisol levels and mitigate inflammation. Prioritize self-care activities that promote relaxation and well-being. Quality sleep. Ensure you get adequate restful sleep each night, as poor sleep can exacerbate inflammation and affect nervous system function. Create a calming bedtime routine and optimize your sleep environment for quality rest. Incorporating healing herbs into your routine offers a natural and effective way to reduce inflammation in the nervous system and support overall well-being. From turmeric and ginger to ashwagandha and green tea, these powerful herbs provide potent anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate symptoms and promote optimal nerve health. By combining the use of healing herbs with lifestyle changes such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and quality sleep, you can further enhance their benefits and support a healthy nervous system. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on natural health remedies and holistic wellness practices. Join our community and empower yourself to live a life of vitality and vitality.